Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to do this eye-focused makeup, and if you want to know this, just continue watching. And I'll start with the tone, and for this I'll use the foundation from L'Oreal. And I apply it with a beauty blender. All the products that I use I will leave in the description under the video. Then I put on a concealer from NYX. It has medium density, so it easily removes some skin imperfections, and I use a lighter color than the tonal base, thus making easy sculpting as well. Now we got a contour, and for this I actually use eyeshadows. The main thing is to choose the right color. So I'm sculpting the jawline, and with a smaller brush I added this to my nose. I also added this to my forehead and under the jawline. And I need blush. I'm applying the one in warm color, and I'm just blending about the contour. And in this makeup I also added some on my forehead and just a little bit to my nose. For brows I'm using eyebrow shadows from the one in dark color. I like to use eyebrow shadows because they make for a more natural look. And I'm gonna fix up my brows with a transparent brow gel from NYX. Now the eyebrows look a little dark, but it will look better when I do my eye makeup. Eyes time, and first I'm applying a light brown eyeshadows for entire moving eyelid. Next, using a dark brown shadows, I darken the crease of the eyelid and shade them towards the end of the eyebrow. I also add some shadows under the eye. Using a black pencil, I'm going to line off my waterlines. And also I'm applying it under the eyes and shade it a little. Black liquid liner is a huge step with this look. I'm using the one from Neutrogena and draw a winged liner. While I was drawing, I corrected it, so now I also need to correct eyeshadows a little. And finally, I'm applying black mascara for eyelashes. For lips, I'm using a nude lipstick from The One. And also I'm applying a darker lip liner to emphasize the lip contour. And by this time it was getting dark, so I turned on the lamp. I hope you like it better too. And as a final step, I will add a little highlighter. And here's the look. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.